Let's make a bubble machine. We need plastic yogurt pot, a straw, elastic, screwdriver, cloth, a little bit of washing up liquid, and some spray bottle with water. If we don't have a spray bottle, we can use the plate and put a little bit of water on the plate. Right, let's make it. First, the tricky bit. With the screwdriver, make a hole in your pot. Be careful. Right, okay. We need to make a hole big enough for our straw. Let's try. Put it in. Fits really well. Okay. Now the easy bit. Cloth on top. Use elastic band to keep it in place. Okay. Now we need a little bit of washing up liquid. Spread it on top. Our spray bottle sprayed on top. If we don't have this one, we are using our plate. And we do dip. It's time for bubbles. Blow. Loads and loads of bubbles. Dip again. Blow. Our little bubble machine.